Audience, welcome back to the day one series. So this is the thing that for the 90 days I'm going to give a short brief of what I'm doing and what kind of improvements are we getting in terms of learning a particular skill. Okay, so the thing is that at the very starting point what you can do is download a git. Okay, so go to the particular your Google and download git. Okay, just git download. So here, from here you can download git, and then you can access this particular git through here like this. Mostly you are not going to use it. Yeah, the get bash, so you are not going to use it right now. Okay, the next thing you are going to do is you are going to create a GitHub account. Okay, so this is the GitHub account I have created, and I'm going to push my code here in this particular repo. Okay, so I have built there is one DSA mastery and also another one I'm going to build, which is web dev mastery. Okay, so this is just a first program I'm showing that this is what I'm learning. And for DSA there are so many sheets in the YouTube itself. Okay, you can follow so many different level of sheets, but the one which I liked is the striver sheet. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow his sheet. Okay, DSA sheet, and also I'm going to learn the basic stuff, advanced stuff, and the in between stuff. Okay, these are the all the tutorials here. I have the in between things. Okay, so yeah, and also the lead code is here. Okay, so we are also going to solve the problems. So create your account in GitHub, and through this you can push your code. Okay, and you can see the progress, and also it is a proof of work. Okay, so what I did is I downloaded the VS code, and in the VS code what I did was I just connected this VS code with my Git and GitHub. Okay, so right now I can what I can do is the just by these three command git add dot git commit minus m, and then js is just a comment, and then git push. These three comments are useful, and most of the time you're going to repetitively use this command. Okay, so what is it like? This is the DSA mastery in HTML code. Like I can do this again, like just this is the boilerplate. Okay, and this is the shortcut of boilerplate, and with this you have a boilerplate of HTML. Okay, which is within a DSA mastery folder. Then what I am doing is I am creating a script base. Okay, type src. Yeah, great. Script.js, which I already have a script.js file. Okay, here what I am doing is my first code, which is console.log hello world. Okay, so here I am going to write hello world. Okay, the moment I have written the code, here if you have already two extensions, like here you need to download two extensions. Okay, like yes, the GitHub Copilot, and this you can use HTML support, HTML related thing, but the most important is that live server. Okay, yeah, this live server, you have to download this live server, and after this you will have this option here. Okay, while you are coding, so the moment I will put the yeah, okay, this is the project I was making. I'm just going to click the F12. Okay, live reload is enabled. Right now it is working or not? Is it working or not? What is the problem here, man? Script.js. Wait a minute, man. What happened? What happened here? Script.js. That's the same thing. Git local change working tree. Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. There are some mistakes happened here. I don't know what. Okay. Is it fixed or not? I'm not sure if is it fixed or not, but let's see. Okay, so this is the DSA mastery. We have to touch the index HTML, and again I'm just going to put here. Okay, right now I am in this particular repository. I was looking for this repo. Okay, and then F12. Yeah, I got the hello world. So this is the first code, hello world, and yeah, we can put something else like hello world is here, but what I can do is let a equals 10, just putting a value 10, and then let b equals 30. So here let a and b are just variables where we are putting the value of these numbers 10 and 30. Okay, and then with the lock, what I am going to do is I am going to print why this thing a plus b. Okay, so this is a basic formula of a plus b, and by this I will get the number 10 plus 30 is 40. Okay, similarly I can create this same code here like this, like a minus b, a into b. Okay, a where is the divide? Yeah, divide, and also one more, which is modulus. Yes, so these five are classic operators. These are operators: plus, minus, into, divide, and modulus. Okay, let's see the result. Here we got 40 minus 20 300 0.33333. This is the divide, and the 10, which is modulus. Okay, so if I change here a particular like 90, okay, the results will automatically changed like 120. Okay, what is 90 plus 30 is 120, 90 minus 30 is 60, 90 into 30 is 9 3 is a 2700, right? And a divided by b, so it is 9 like 3, and yeah, modulus also that, so 0. Yeah, so this is 120, 60, 2700, and 3 and 0. So this is how we had done the plus, minus, into, divide, modulus. Then different one more thing we can do is yeah, there are so many data types we can use, like for example var a for name equals Akash. Okay, and var age equals 24. Okay, now if what will happen if I do this? No, like for example, I'm just putting this as I'm not getting any num. Let's see, var g. Okay, var g equals name plus age. Why it is not writing? I don't know why. Okay, so just by writing the log it will give the shortcut. Okay, so I want this particular g. Let's see if this is what we got. Akash 24, right? So why we got this Akash 24? Because Akash is a string and 24 is a number. It is an integer. Okay, so when a string and an integer combined, they like combine together. Okay, like for example, what happen if I put a number here, 34? Do you think that 34 and 24 will be 58, right? This can be 58, right? 58, right? No, this is 34 and 24, because right now this 34 24 is a string. Okay, so this is the situation where the moment we put this colon and we got the number right now, and right now we can see that. Okay, this is not refreshed. Refresh, come on, refresh, bro, refresh. Okay, it is not refreshing. Why? What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Come on. Nah, it is not refreshing. What happened, bro? Come on, give me the same problem. I'm getting the same problem. Yeah, same problem again and again and again. Completely dissolved. Okay, this time I think I should hit this, and yeah, great. F12. Okay, so 34 24. Okay, this particular variable is still continuing name. Instead of name, I can give the num for num. Okay, so num plus age. Now what is num plus age? 58, right? So this is what the starting point of the code is. I don't know what kind of mistakes I was doing right before. So that's the thing. This is just a starting point that we had print the JavaScript code, and okay, let's push this code. Okay, for example, I want to push this particular code. Okay, how to do it? How to actually do it? For example, I have to write that this is my first code here. Okay, so if I go here, this is my first code here, right? 58. So I also can put here console log bro, and my first program, right? So my first program. Okay, now what I will do is just put the command as in the terminal git add dot, then what I will do is git commit -m, and in the comment I will write this is the first project. Done. Okay, now the two files are changed. Now what I will do is git push, and with this git push we got our files in the GitHub. Okay, so yeah, this is the first project if we get into our particular script. Okay, yeah, you can see my first program were G right there. Great, so this is the first program. I was just showing that yeah, this is the inclination, but the thing is that I know JavaScript, so it is just a starting point. Like, it is just I'm showing that yes, I'm doing the same thing again with the basic part. Okay, so these are just basics: variable, how to print, okay, how to get the answer, and how to push the code. Okay, because it is necessary to have a proof, right? Outside of your computer, you can access it from anywhere. So that's it for today, guys. Keep it simple, build it bold. This is just a starting point. We are going to do so many great things. Bye bye.